guys, welcome to my channel. I have another project to make today. These are my leftover from the mirror that I made last time. So I'm going to cut them smaller like this. I'm also using this barbecue sticks. It's bamboo. So this is how it looks when I spray paint them with gray. Then I cut the sticks with this length that I wanted. So it's around 3.5 inches. Sorry guys, I already started my project here. I thought I was recording, but I'm not. So I'm going to show you how I did here. So I just stick them to this side here, like on the edge. So just gonna continue doing that. So just do this to get the shape. So this is what's coming up, guys. I found it easier to do this first, to stick these two first. And then put them on the side like this. So just like those. So I'm going to add this one here on this side to hide the imperfections. There you go, this is the finished look. There, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my videos. Please give me a thumbs up and share my videos. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.